Hi, I'm going to show you how to record a quick macro. They can save you lots of time. First thing you have to do is get your computer ready, click File, click Options, and then click Customize Ribbon. And over here under Customize Ribbon, you need to make sure that Developer is chosen because that's where you will see the macro commands. So I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to go into the Developer tab and I'm going to click on Record Macro. Now it's going to start recording everything I click after I fill in a name. So my name is going to be Convert to LMS, right? Convert LMS. I'm not going to assign a shortcut key, and this is important. I want to save it in my personal macro workbook. By doing that, it allows this macro to be accessed from all different files I have. If I put it just in this workbook, I won't be able to access it from other files. And then a description is nice. This is convert polling question report to LMS format. Okay? So I'm going to click OK, and now it's recording everything I do. So the first thing I need to do is I need to delete the student ID. So these are just steps I have to do every day to get this polling question report ready to import into the LMS. So I'm going to select the column, I'm going to delete it, and then my next thing is these are 3 different potential scores on a given class day, and I give the students credit for they can do any one they want, so their score on any given day is the maximum of those 3 scores. So then I'm going to copy that down to all my students. So now I have the max calculated. Now, I can't import a formula. I need to convert those to values. So I'm selecting that last column, the one that I just created. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste special, and I'm going to do values. And really, the steps that I'm doing are not important particularly. It's just the process of I'm doing several steps that I'm going to have in my macro. And then my next step is I'm going to rename this new column that I made. I'm going to call it Polling Questions Grade. Okay, and then the final thing I need to do is I want to delete these first 3 columns. I don't need them anymore. So I'm just going to select them, delete, and then I am done with my macro. So I am going to click Stop Recording. Okay, so now my macro is done. So now I've brought up an unaltered polling questions report. So now I want to run my macro. So this I'm going to click on here, and one thing to note before you hit run is there is no undo with a macro. So you want to make sure that you have a spare copy. So now I'm going to do developer, and I'm going to click on macros to run this, and I'm going to select my convert LMS, and I'm going to run it. And look at that fast my macro is done, and I've got everything like I need to have it, and you saw it happen instantly. So macros are a really powerful tool. The basic macros don't take a lot to construct, but they can save you a lot of time. I hope this was helpful.